What is it? It's a sandy woohoo, of course.
Oh, it's fantastic, Ellie.
Can I give it shell eyes? Ooh, and seaweed feathers. And it needs more sand.
Well, I think you need a friend. I'll draw you one. Just need a drawing stick.
Shells. Seaweed. Huh?
Today's exciting, amazing sea snail race starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Slimy Sydney is first with Snailsy close behind. Shirley McWhirly is not moving at all, and Simon Snaily is going the wrong way. Turn around, Simon.
Iggy, a sea snail race is always this slow.
Well, it's the famous racing sea snail,
Yellow pebbles. Hello, yellow butterfly. Hello, yellow dandelion. Oh, hello, yellow is. Best game of hello, yellow ever. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Yes, got it. Look, Ellie. This lovely leaf's going in my collection of presents from the wind. I've already got a seagull feather, 5 flower petals. Oh! Oh. 3, 2, 1.
I'm really glad that didn't happen to the star.
The tide's coming in. Stay here. I'll check on the star.
If it gets washed away, we'll never get it back into space.
It's still here, but... Huh? There are 2 more stars now. What? Now we have to get 3 more stars back into the sky. There's only one again now.
Maybe there's a gigantic moon chomper up in space eating the moon.
Like this. I can show you again if it helps. We need to fly into space and ask the moon chomper to stop. Just need to find something.
I don't think we'll fit in there.
Huh. Okay. Let's scare the moon chomper away. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Yellow pebbles. Hello, yellow butterfly. Hello, yellow dandelion. Oh, hello, yellow is. Best game of hello, yellow ever. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Yes, got it. Look, Ellie. This lovely leaf's going in my collection of presents from the wind. I've already got a seagull feather, 5 flower petals. Oh!
Maybe the world's turned upside down. Let's be upside down too.
Great idea, Scotty. The clouds are up there now.
Ooh.
Whoa! Do you think Wise Island floated up into the clouds while we were sleeping?
Amazing! But I want us to play my new game. And my special stick's down there somewhere.
So's my veg patch. I miss my squeaky tools.
I miss everything.
We've got to get Wise Island down from the clouds.
Ooh. Thank you for my painting.
Does that mean it wasn't me? Yep, thought so. Huh? Look, it can't have been the bird.
This way. This way. This way.
It's the wiggliest treasure map ever.
Huh?
3, 2, 1.
I'm really glad that didn't happen to the star.
The tide's coming in. Stay here. I'll check on the star. No!
If it gets washed away, we'll never get it back into space.
It's still here, but... Huh? There are 2 more stars now. What? Now we have to get 3 more stars back into the sky. There's only 1 again now. What? The other day, I thought I saw the lumpy thing wriggling. Now it's gone. Instead, there's this papery thing.
A butterfly.
Huh? Has anyone dropped a scarf with loads of legs and lots of blinky eyes?
Huh?
The long furry creature.
That sounds like Lulu. Are you sure it wasn't my little shrew friend Wynona?
No way. It looked like a long fuzzy scarf with loads of legs and eyes.
Lulu definitely doesn't look like that.
But scarves don't have legs and eyes, do they?
No, and they don't run around either. Let's find that long fuzzy something. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Tiger knows the best games.
Like bounce and pounce. Whoa! Come on, come on, come on!
I can't wait to give the woohoos a big surprise. Can't see me.
Tiger!
Good to see you, Tiger.
Hello, Tiger.
But how did you see me? I was playing camouflage.
Camel what?
Camouflage. It's my favourite tiger game. At home, in the jungle, I stand really still. Then my friends can't see me till I do this. Surprise!
Hello! Hello! Ooh. Let's be friends. Let's be friends.
Hey!
You're amazing, little wonky carrot.
Oh, I guess you'll keep it forever and ever.
What? No way! It's a carrot. And it doesn't taste a teeny bit wonky. It's yummy! Woohoo! We can eat them all! We found out something new! We worked it out! Woohoo! Da da, doobly-doo, doobly-doo, blah blah, doobly-doo, freeze! Ellie's out! Woohoo! Ooh. Shh. Have they been sleeping all day?
And sleeping upside down? I feel sleepy now.
Not me. I can keep bouncing forever. I really wanted you all to meet my bat friends. Let's go home.
Oh, the bats! They're waking up!
Great to meet you, bats. But it's bedtime. Why are they?
Oh, I think we're about to meet the muddy mud monster.
Aww.
It's just one of the little swimmy coots. Hello. Your nest looks so comfy.
Have you seen a big muddy mud monster? No? Okay.
Let's keep looking. Bye-bye, little birdie. Huh? Oh, here again?
Yahar! Treasure!
So pretty and so smooth. Is this the treasure you're looking for, Captain? Oh.
Arr!
Oh, not treasure, just an acorn.
Aha! Look at me! I be walking the plank 'cause I'm Iggy, the naughty pirate. Aha! Sploosh!
Wow!
Arr!
Oops!
Aww.
I think I might know what's going on. Let's work it out together. Did you notice that every time Ellie's ears flap, the sails spin too?
Ellie, you've got magic ears!
I don't think so. I think it's the wind that makes your ears flap. It blows the leaves around too.
Oh, and my feather on the beach.
And when there's no wind, my ears don't flap and leaves and feathers don't fly around. So if the wind makes your ears move, maybe it makes the sails turn too.
Today's exciting, amazing sea snail race starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Slimy Sydney is first with Snailsy close behind. Shirley McWhirly is not moving at all, and Simon Snaily is going the wrong way. Turn around, Simon.
Iggy, a sea snail race is always this slow.
Well, it's the famous racing sea snail. I'm sure I can dance to Ellie's Parpy Parps. Watch me. Oh. Ooh!
Iggy, you made a new sound.
Get ready for the biggest, most amazing sound ever.
Ooh.
Come on! Ta-da!
Ooh. So sunny.
So flowery.
So bright.
Huh?
I meant the sun, not the flowers.
Hello again. Howdy. Yoo-hoo. Ooh. Hello, Spotty Butterfly. Oh, bye-bye. Spotty Butterfly, let me see. Oh.
Da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum.
Oh, you're right. It's really sunny today. I can see the poppies over there. Oh, let's